Let's see one more example of median. Observe the following frequency distribution table. It shows the distance traveled by 60 public transport buses in a day. Find the median of the distance traveled. So in this sum, the information given to us is about distance traveled and number of buses. So our first column will be CI, that is class interval. The first class is 200, 209, 210 to 219. 220 to 229, 230 to 239, 240 to 249. Now, if you observe, in this sum, the given classes are not continuous. Means what? Our first class ends at 209, whereas second class starts at 210. So, in the first step, let's make the classes continuous. Continuous classes. So while finding out mean, it is not necessary that the classes should be continuous, but while finding out median, compulsory the students should make the classes continuous if the given classes are not continuous. Now the first class ends at 209 and the second class starts at 210. So the difference is of 1. Divided by 2, your answer will be 0.5. Subtract it from the lower limit and add it to the upper limit. So 200 minus 0.5. 199.5. 209 plus 0.5, 209.5. Again I am repeating it. In this sum, the first class ends at 209, second class starts at 210. So the difference is of 1. Divide the difference by 2. 1 upon 2, answer is 0.5. Subtract it from the lower limit and add it to the upper limit. 210 minus 0.5 will be 209.5 to 219.5. 219.5 to 229.5, 229.5 to 239.5, 239.5 to 249.5. Now in first step we have made the classes continuous. Next, number of buses, that is FI. 4, 14, 26, 10, 6 less than CF. Now in first example we have seen how to find out less than cumulative frequency. First value as it is, add first 2, 18, first 3, 44, 54 and last is 60. It will be our N. So I can say here N is equal to 60. We will find out N upon 2, 60 upon 2, that is equal to 30. Now check the last column of less than CF. Here we don't have any value 30. So go for the first number which is bigger than 30. So in this case it is 44. So this will be our median class. The value before 44 will be our CF. The frequency of the median class will be our F. This will be our L. Median class is 219.5 to 229.5. Now, what is our L? 219.5. What is our CF? 18. What is our F? 26. What is our H? That is interval differencing. The difference is of 10. So H is equal to 10. We know. Write down the formula for median. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. That is equal to 219.5 plus N by 2 30 minus CF is 18, F 26 into H. What is H? 10. That is equal to 219.5 plus 30 minus 18, 12. 12 tens are 120 upon 26. That is equal to 219.5 plus 2 60s are 2 13s are, that is equal to 219.5 plus 60 divided by 13, 13 4s are 52, 8 13 6 are 78, 20 13 1s are 13, that is equal to, let's add it, 219.50 plus 4.61, 1 6 plus 5 11 10 14, 1 plus 1 2, 224.11, approximately we can say it as 224. Lastly, write down the final answer. Median distance traveled is 224 kilometers. Today we are going to see a very interesting sum of median. Now first let's see the question. The following table shows the ages of person who visited a museum on a certain day. Find the median age of the persons visiting the museum. Given age in years: less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. Number of persons given are 3, 10, 22, 40, 54, 71. Now in this question the class interval is not given to us. So first let's form the classes. So our first column will be CI. Now first it is given then less than 10. So let's consider the first class 0 to 10. Second will be 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now if we observe the number of persons given to us 3, 10, 22, 40, 54, 71, they are in the increasing order. It means the given frequency is of the type less than CF. Less than CF. 3, 10, 22, 40, 54, 71. Now in this sum we will see how to find out frequency if we know the values of less than CF. So here it will be number of persons. Now 0 to 10, so less than 10, so the number of persons will be 3. Now less than 20, the number of persons are 10. Now the persons who are less than 10 are also included in less than 20, so we will subtract 10 minus 3, 7, 22 minus 10, so on 12, 40 minus 22, 18, 54 minus 40, 14, and 71 minus 54, 17. Now again I am repeating, in this sum the class interval were not given to us. So first we form the class interval. The first class which we took was 0 to 10, second 10 to 20, so on. The last class is 50 to 60. Now the number of persons less than 10 were 3. So in 0 to 10 we took the number of persons 3. Now less than 20, the number of persons are 10. Now when we say less than 20, it means we also include the person who are less than 10. So what I have done, I have subtracted 10 minus 3, 7. Why we are subtracting? Because 3 persons already we have taken in the group 0 to 10. So on 22 minus 10, 12, 40 minus 22, 18, 54 minus 40, 14, 71 minus 54, 17. Now this is our n. Now let's find the median class. So here n is equal to 71. n upon 2 is equal to 71 upon 2, that is equal to 35.5. Now see the column of less than CF. In this column there is no value 35.5. So go for the first value which is bigger than 35.5, that is 40. So this will be our median class. Median class. The value before 40 will be our CF. Frequency of this class will be F, and 30 to 40 this will be our L. So now we got the value of L. What is L? L is equal to 30, F is equal to 18, CF is equal to 22, H the difference is of 10. Now we will write down the formula. We know median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Let's substitute the values. 30 plus 35.5 minus 22 upon 18 into 10. 30 plus 35.5 minus 22, 13.5 upon 18 into 10. 30 plus 13.5 into 10, 135 upon 18. That is equal to 30 plus 9 1 za 9, 9 15 za 2 za. 30 plus 7.5, that is equal to 37.5. Therefore, median age of persons visiting museum is 37.5 years. Now let's revise the sum again. In this sum, the question is given in the format of less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, so on. So first we form the class interval. We took the first class 0 to 10. Now in less than 10 the number of persons are 3, so we took the first value as it is. Now less than 20 the number of persons are 10. It also include the number of persons who are less than 10. So what I have done, 10 minus 3, I have subtracted, I got the answer 7. Similarly 22 minus 10, 12, and so on. What is the value of n? 71. N upon 2 is equal to 71 upon 2, 35.5. See the value for 35.5. We don't have any value of 35.5. So the first value bigger than 35.5 is 40. So we got our median class 30 to 40. We got the value of L. We got the value of F. We got the value of C of F. What is H? Interval of differencing. That is the difference is of 10. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substituting the values, we got the answer 37.5. That is the median age of the persons visiting the museum is 37.5 years.